Hello my dear family members, today we have an exciting video for all the TCS NQT aspirants out there. After the positive response to our previous TCS NQT coding video, I am thrilled to bring you another set of challenging problems which was asked on 15th January TCS NQT exam advanced section. So let's see what's the question. So the question is regarding a triangular matrix. So you have been asked write a function to print the upper triangular matrix of a given square matrix. So you have to check if the matrix is a square matrix or not at first, right? So and then the function should take a square matrix of size n into n as input and print only the elements in the upper triangular part. Fill the rest of the matrix with spaces or zeros, right? So here is the sample input, that is this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and expected output is 1 2 3 5 6 9, right? So this part is upper triangular matrix, right? So I hope you understood what you have been asked, right? So if you have any plan, if you have got any logic, then start solving the problem. If you stuck into any logic, then please come to watch again and see the solution approach, right? I'm not going to give you all solutions, just I am giving you how to solve the problem, right?
You more confident, I have prepared this material in which I have included all the previous year full question set, more than 20 mock tests, interview experiences, and many other resources. I'm giving guarantee if you solve two set of papers, then you will get almost all common questions. So if you are interested, then please knock me at my Insta ID techno.uf.
Let me clear it that here I is equal to 0, here I is equal to 1, and here I is equal to 2, and here j is equal to 0, here j is equal to 1, and here j is equal to 2, right? So where are the elements being printed? Here, right? So one diagonally, and last column and first column, then from here to here. So where are the elements being printed? So let me clear it. So here I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, here I is equal to 0, j is equal to 1, here I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1, here I is equal to 2, j is equal to, sorry, here I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1, and here I is equal to 2, j is equal to also 2, here I is equal to 1, j is equal to 3, sorry, 2, right? So what happens when j is less than, I mean, yes, j is less than I, we are not printing the elements, right? So when we are not printing the elements, only when I is greater than equal to j, we are not printing the elements, right? Or we can say when j greater than equal to I, we are printing the elements, right? Sorry. So what happens here, I is equal to j, that's why we are printing 1, I mean the element. And here j is less than I, sorry, j is greater than I, that's why we are printing. Here also j is greater than I, that's why we are printing. And here j is less than I, so we are not printing. Here also j is less than I, that's why we are not printing this, right? And here j is less than I, that's why we are not printing. But diagonally these elements are greater, elements are where j is greater than I, right? So that's why we are printing. So just remind it, right? So let me clear it at first. So at first you have to check if the length, if the length sorry, at first you have to calculate the length as n, and then check if the matrix length is equal to the matrix first column length, then this will be square matrix. If not, then return false, right? And then run two for loops and check if j greater than equal to I or not. If yes, then print the matrix, otherwise print one space or zero, right? Okay, then out of the for loop return the matrix, or in the in the driver code, just take the input and call the function, then print the value, right? So I hope you understood the logic I discussed. So I hope you will have the ability to solve the problem. So I hope you will not disappoint me and you will assume that this is also your exam hall. So please give the answer in the comment section. And so I hope this much of coding session was very much helpful to you. So if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding TCS NQT or any playlist you want. Alright. So thank you for today's session.